Hello there. Hope you're doing well. Stock Jock here. The Jock of Stock. Massive freaking day today. $36,412 to finish the day. If you're living in a rock, today was just an absolute psycho fest in the market. Short squeeze everything. And I took advantage of that. But that's not what this video is about. This video is going to be about something else. But I know everybody's probably wondering, how do you make the money? We'll go over it real quick. But again, that's not the focus of this video. The focus of this video is talking a little bit about FOMO, probably. But anyway, I made a ton of trades today, like a ton. And I'm not at all going to go over all of them. I'll just tell you flat out that BBBY was a big winner. It was a swing trade. It was a trade that I got in early. I mean, I was selling this stuff. Okay. No, that's not it. I made a crap ton of money on BBBY. I caught this entire move. I sold all throughout this. It was awesome. But this isn't typical. Today was not a typical trading day for me at all. Most of my wins came from holding for hours. And I don't ever do that. Like ever. Once a year, maybe. FOMO was a sympathy. The thing that was moving today was high short interest stocks. Meaning like, we're not talking like GME high short interest where the entire float plus, which shouldn't even be possible. We're not talking about that. We're talking like 30% short interest. And that was FOMO. FOMO and BBBY. That's why BBBY has been going nutty. So anything with like 20, 30% got a pop today. This FOMO, one of our chat members, good banana, good job, buddy, called out that this one also had an investor call today. So when I heard that, I took 100 contracts of this FOMO. Let me see if I can find that one. That one was awesome. I was like, oh yeah, here it is right here. Took 100 contracts at like 30 cents average, right? This turned into like a 900% winner for me today. I took the $5 calls. So basically, you get over 530. I start juicing. Well, guess what the price did? And I sold most of it through this part here, and I did nail the tippy top. So it was buy the rumor, sell the news. Investor conference was going to be at 2:30. Guess what time the price started dumping? Right before the investor conference at 2:30. Buy the rumor, sell the news. It's beautiful. And high short interest. It was a beautiful play. So that was like $10,000 winner. BBBY was a big winner as well. I'll try to get a screenshot of all the wins calculated. Got a little bit of a swing here. But yeah, just GME. GME was part of the memes. Once BBBY started to go this morning, I jumped in GME. GME hadn't moved yet. As soon as I jumped in, a couple minutes later, boom. Huge move. Today was all about memes and sympathies. But that's not what we're going to talk about today. Talk about FOMO. That's right. So there's two types of people that'll be affected today. After a day like today. Those that made a crap ton of money and those that didn't. To those that made a crap ton of money, I'll speak to you first. That would be myself included. And I'm speaking this talk, which is going to be short, to you, but also a reminder to me. Because what I'm really good at is having a massive day like that and then giving a crap ton of it back the very next day. Why? Because I tend to have the mindset that I'm going to repeat this albatross of a day's performance in the following day. And that's just not the case. I need to reset and come into tomorrow thinking it's going to be a normal day, maybe a hard day. That's the mindset you have to have. So those of you that made a crap ton of money, go into tomorrow thinking you're not going to make a crap ton of money and someone's going to try to take your money. To those that didn't make a crap ton of money, maybe you had a small green day or even red and you're just absolutely pounding your face on the table. That's fine. It's fine. You're not a bad trader because of that. Your trading style just might not work today. I tell you what, most of the trades I took today, like my normal candle over candle stuff, I didn't do that often. There wasn't really setups for it constantly. Of course, there were some, but it wasn't like all over the place. That's how I made my money. It was a very unique circumstance of short squeezes and having to hold for a long period of time. Not my normal trading style. So if you were red today and you're thinking, I just suck at trading, that's not necessarily true. It just didn't work out today. It just didn't work out. And you have to have that mindset. Don't bring that mindset in tomorrow. If you're a small green today and you're wondering, how in the world on a day like this, I had a small green day. Well, you're green, first off. Don't cry too hard. But don't compare what you do to other people. You need to focus on, did you make good trades? Yes or no? Did you execute your trade plan? Yes or no? That's it. And if you can answer yes to both of those, then you did fine. Mission accomplished. You'll have massive days. I remember through some of these bear market rallies where it's just going straight up forever. Like in here. Or some in here. I just absolutely did not be green at all. It's some of the worst trading I've done recently. Everyone else and their brother, if they just bought and hold for days, you would have made money in these bear market rallies. Not me. Got wrecked. So this is an albatross day. You got to treat it as that. Forget about it. New day tomorrow. That's it. That's the message. It's a new day tomorrow. Doesn't matter. I know I had a lot of people in chat today, by the way. Come hang out. Twitch.tv/StockJock. Link is down below. Join us. We had like 1,000 people in there today. I know I got a lot of views. I know a lot of people are showing up saying, wow, good job, good job. Guess what? This day right here doesn't even make up for my biggest red day this year. You got to keep it real. You got to keep it $1.50, as Train says. It's true. You're going to have big days. You're going to have bad days. You're going to have big wins, small wins, big losses, small losses. As a trader, you got to stay even keeled. Regardless of what happens, you're constantly fighting emotions at all times. That is the hardest part of the trading. You're constantly fighting them. Right now, those of us that made a crap ton of money, we're on cloud 9. All right? We can do no wrong until we do something wrong. And then we feel really terrible because we let ourselves get up on cloud 9. And you know what? The higher up you get, the bigger the fall. You got to remain even keeled. So yeah, that's the message. That's all I got. Big wins today. Not going over the trades. Lots of fun in chat though. You should come check it out. Twitch.tv/StockJock. Yeah, lots of fun. Lots of fun. Questions, comments, let me know. All the links for everything I use down below. I hope to see you tomorrow morning, bright and early, in chat. Come hang out. Peace out.